The Crystal Rogers murder trial has wrapped up for the day, and for the very first time, we are hearing the defense's side of the story. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Hayden Ristevsky.
And I'm Joel Skipper. WDRB's Valerie Chin joins us from Bowling Green on one of the biggest developments today. Val?
We heard from a canine expert. We also heard from a cell phone record expert. But the most interesting person was Brooks Houck's sister. Rhonda McElvoy said the Crystal Rogers that she disappeared. Rhonda McElvoy said after Crystal Rogers disappeared, people started pointing fingers to her family immediately and they got threats. She even moved out of state but then returned to live at the Houck family farm. She talked about her brother Nick and how he used to be a Bardstown police officer and now works for an armored truck company. McElvoy talked about her mother, Rosemary, and how she never witnessed any blow-ups or arguments between her and Crystal, but said they were not close. The prosecutor has called Rosemary and Nick Houck unindicted co-conspirators. They have not been charged with any crimes. McElvoy is also accused of secretly recording a grand jury proceeding. In court today, she admitted she did that, but says she didn't know her other family members at the time had also secretly recorded. The statute of limitations has ended, so they can't be charged for that. Here's what Prosecutor Shane Young said about it in October 2023.
Defendant's sister, Rhonda McElvoy Houck, brother Nicholas Houck, mother Rosemary Houck, brother-in-law Alex McElvoy, and Rosemary Houck's live-in boyfriend Larry Monk, all recorded, secretly brought in recorders and recorded the grand jury.
McElvoy told the jury she recorded because she wanted to have proof of what she said and protect her from people lying about her and twisting her words. The prosecution also asked her about Brooks talking to her about recording before going to the grand jury and Nick wanting the recording, and she said she couldn't remember the exact conversation. The transcript provided to her in court to read mentioned Brooks and Nick, but there were incomplete sentences. And court will start again tomorrow morning, 9:30 Eastern. And closing arguments are expected on Monday. Live in Bowling Green, I'm Valerie Chin, WDRB News.